Hello Daniel, how are you? I hope you are doing very well. So today our topic is how to edit the automated emails they receive when they sign up for the blog and when they download an item. This should be all for milestone. Okay, so you need to sign in your Mailchimp account. So after signing in successfully, simply click on campaign buttons, and here you will see a list of campaigns that we made for your website. So here is the email list. So this is actually a single welcome email. When someone subscribe to your newsletter, so this email will send. So simply you need to click on edit. Okay, one thing I should tell you, when you will open the campaigns, so it will sending the campaigns. Let me show you here. I just click on campaign button. Here is the list of campaigns. So I need to click on edit button. This is sending, this is sending, this is draft. So here is a status. So I need to click on edit button. After clicking edit button, I need to pause this campaign. So here you can edit send to recipients and from and subject and content. So if you want to change the design of that specific email campaign, simply click on edit design button. So here is your edit design page. So here is the list of blogs. So you can place any blog in this area. So if you want to place image plus text, simply drag and drop this blog, so it will add it here. So I don't want to add it here. So if you want to change this blog, simply click on edit blog. So here you can replace your image. I don't want to replace it, so come to the next point. So if you want to edit this area, simply click on edit blog button, and here is the text. So if you want to add any text here, simply type and save and close. I don't want to change anything because I am only showing you for the demo purpose, because it's your running campaign. So after editing the design, simply click save and continue button. One more thing I need to tell you, when you click edit design button, you can even change the template. So this is the design page. Simply you need to click on template page, so you can change the template for that specific campaign. So here is the free templates. This is the paid template. So you need to upgrade your Mailchimp account if you want to use it. These two are free template, and these two are free templates. Others are paid. You need to upgrade your Mailchimp account to use that template. Okay, I don't want to change any template. I simply just edit your existing design. So here is a design page, and here you can edit your design according to your requirements. So I don't want to change anything because I have told you already. So I click on save and continue button. After that you need to click on this button, resume sending. Okay, I need to tell you one more thing. Here is a list of your campaigns. So campaign for welcome email, campaign for white paper, campaign for brochure, campaign for etc etc. So you need to change the design in every campaign. So this is for intro cooling white paper download campaign. This is for intelligent PDU white paper download. This is split calling white paper download. So you need to change in every campaign. So this is the point that I need to tell you. So I hope this makes clear. So if you have any query, please feel free to ask me anything anytime. Thank you so much. Bye bye.